Hello, this is EV3 Trade Signal Ideas in association with ForexFox. Today is Wednesday, July 28th, and the title of this video is Power of Flow Cross-Asset Example. So in this video, we're going to be exploring the look of first cross-asset example between the S&P 500 and a commodity composite, and then following that up with a TriggerFlow index of that composite index, and to see if there is power of flow. On this first chart, it's a 4-hour chart of the S&P 500. It's actually the CFD of US 500, and as you can see, this goes back to August. It's almost 2 years now, end of August of 2019, and obviously we had the COVID reaction and then the subsequent rally due to the central bank largesse money printing that's been going on for the last year and a bit. The second chart will be bringing into play the commodity composite. In this case, I'm using copper over the gold-silver ratio. I find this to be a very, very nice composite to look at equities, and copper being the PhD of metals, highly used by developing countries. China is a big buyer of copper with all the massive production that they are continuing on. So as you can see with this light white line, fit has been very good, but recently, starting in about end of April, beginning of May, we're seeing this commodity composite coming off while price continues to rally. So we have this bearish divergence. This second last chart is going to be bringing in, and it does bring in, the TriggerFlow index of the composite. So this light blue line is the TriggerFlow index of this white line. So the white line is of price, and the blue line is of the TriggerFlow of the composite. So as you can see here somewhat, which we're going to get more granular in the next chart, you're seeing a much better fit with the TriggerFlow index and the underlying S&P 500 than you do with the actual commodity composite price basis. So finally here, much closer look, as you can see with this yellow line here, you see a much, much better fit with the TriggerFlow index of the composite to the S&P 500 than you do with the underlying commodity composite, copper divided by the gold-silver ratio in price. So this was what the video is about, to show the value of flow and the power of flow, as I like to say. A nice working the three, but in this example, definitely keep your eye on the flow. And if the flow starts to break lower or higher, I wouldn't be too surprised to see the S&P go with that. So anyhow, this is a kind of research analysis that I do on a daily basis in my chat room at ForexFox. And if you're interested to follow me, feel free to join up for a 7-day free trial at community.forexfox.com. Thanks, and have a nice day.